have a cleaning motivation video for you. I've just put a load of washing on, which I think you can hear, it's doing its thing. Usually I start with cleaning the kitchen, but today I thought I would change it up and start washing. So I'm actually gonna go and do my bedroom now, and I'm gonna take all my sheets off. When that load's done, I can hang that out, put the sheets on. Probably gonna have to throw the sheets in the dryer today, but I just thought that's where I would start. So let's do an entire apartment clean. I actually have a new vacuum, and this one mops as well, so this is going to make life very, very easy, especially in places like this where I have no carpet. It's so dusty under my bed, so I'm gonna send him on his way so he can clean this room. It's so satisfying. He's just got all of the dust. There's like this little patch right here where he is, and pretty much everywhere else is already dust-free. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's very satisfying. Oh, look, see, there's a little patch right in the middle there. He hasn't gone over. Picked up a package for my friend. It's for her birthday. It's a book that I know she's been wanting, and it's really, really cute. This is the book here. It's called More Mandys. The first one is a really beautiful pink book, and she already has the pink one. And we saw this a few weeks ago when we went into Indigo. I'm gonna wrap this up this afternoon, but it's so pretty. I love the Mandys books. They're just the prettiest recipe books. Anyway, I need to get in and do all of the kitchen. It's actually starting to get a bit hot in here. I might turn the heating off because the dryer is on and it's just making it really hot. sheets are done. I'm gonna make my bed. I'm so excited to have fresh sheets tonight. One of the things I really need to do is clean my couch. You can see there's a really big water stain here, so I'm gonna use my Bizzle machine and give this a good upholstery clean. Unfortunately, I won't be able to sit on it for a day or so while it dries, but I just need to freshen up my couch because you can even see there's some marks on the arm there as well, and I just wanna get it nice and clean. One of the things I've been meaning to do for a little bit is actually clean up my desk. It's really dusty in here, but also this drawer is a mess and I just need to reorganize it. The other one's actually really messy as well, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so I am gonna pull apart these drawers and do this whole desk. The last thing that I have to do today is the bathroom, and then I can go and relax. So let's just get it done. Bathroom is done, and yes, my cupboard doesn't close because there's so much stuff in there that I need to sort through. It's on the list. I'm going to actually get to it this week after all this time, finally. But that's my cleaning motivation video. I hope you have enjoyed, and I will see you very shortly.